Okay, so now we are here at this office complex in Keller, and then we've got a Goodman there.
Wow, this one looks like Aiden's Goodman.
Yeah, it does. A smaller version of it.
Like the same blades practically.
It's got a Emerson Coleman
Trane XRs over there, a couple of Carrier Tech2000s.
Oh yeah, there's two of them. And these appear to be the old ones too. Nice.
Oh, nice.
That's got a Millennium Scroll, it looks like. And they do have logos. This one is falling off right here. This one has a recip. Oh yeah, you're right, it does.
Or a Tecumseh.
Yep. Alright. So this one is from 1993. It's a 1.5 ton. It's a heat pump?
Yeah, it's a heat pump.
Oh wow. Yeah, this one is too. Probably seen the reversing valve. So 2 Carrier Tech2000 heat pumps. May see if I,
Wait, is that one a heat pump though? I saw the reversing valve.
Yeah, both heat pumps.
Yeah, they are both heat pumps.
Huh.
Interesting. So 2 1993 Carrier Tech2000 heat pumps.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if we can come here to get a defrost sometime.
Oh, it's actually falling off. Look.
Yeah.
What's that for them? Look at that. Sweet little Carrier piece.
Alright, and then here's a whole bunch of Trane XRs right here, XR13s. And these have the swept fan blades.
Oh, nice. It's got the climate tough reciprocating.
Yep.
I think it's been running too. Oh, no, that's just the afternoon sun. The fan motor's not on.
Alright, 2013 3-ton.
It's the best compressor Trane ever used. It's a shame they don't use that compressor anymore.
Yeah. Yeah, it is. And it sounds like one of them is running down here.
Yep.
Sounds like it, yeah. This one at the end is running. Based on the weather, it could either be in heating mode or cooling mode. Let's see, is this a heat pump? Yep, that's a heat pump. It's a reversing valve. So this is... I can't tell if this is in heating mode or cooling mode, but... Yeah. And then it's a 2012 4-ton. You got a little baby one right here, which has climate tough reciprocating compressor. So, alright, and here's 4 extremely rare Ameristar units right here. Climate tough recip. Wait, no, that's a scroll. Looks like a recip at first. Alright, this one is from, there's a little smudge right there over the date, but it's a 5-ton. Let's see what these other ones are from. 2005 4-ton. Yeah, I've never seen anything like this before. Ameristar. Yeah. 2005 4-ton, and that one is... So yeah, these are probably all 4 from 2005.
Yeah.
I couldn't see the other one.
They have the same fan blades that my great aunt and uncle's old Trane XR13 used to have.
Yeah. Okay, so same place. We got an old American Standard right here.
Compressor looks weird. Oh, nice. My favorite model Goodman, 4 fan blades.
Yeah, it looks like the compressor's like the blanket's tearing up on it.
And a little Goodman. Yep, it actually has a open scroll.
This one is an Allegiance 12 from 2000, and it's a 5-ton. 2 Goodmans in the middle.
Awfully close to that.
Oh, square Goodman right here. It's got a Coleman scroll. This Goodman also has a Coleman scroll. And yeah, here's an American Standard Silver Series, which looks brand new, almost.
It's from September of 2019.
Oh yeah, this is only just a few months old then.
Yeah.
So. Yeah, 2019 4-ton. And then this Goodman's a 13 seer. Alright. It's a 2-ton, it looks like, from 2014. This Goodman's a 2016. I think it's a 2.5-ton. Yeah. Let's see, the silver is a 14 seer.
Oh, and then there's 2 over there.
Okay, and we've got some York LX series units right here. Looks like a Millennium scroll. And yep, of course it's got micro channel. Smaller one. Oh yeah, that's unfortunate. I think that's an Evcon though, because I filmed one just like this in 2015. So, but yeah, that is pretty disappointing. That logo fell off. All right, Bristol compressor in this. That's nice, and it does have micro channel. It's disappointing. Yeah, maybe. You know what? I think this is a 38,000 BTU, I think. So it's about a 3-ton. So get the data on this real quick. 4-ton from 2012. I'm not gonna get the data on that big York right there. Little Coleman from about 2005, most likely. This is a beautiful unit.
Very nice install. Beast.
Bristol compressor. Same year as my Guardian, except it doesn't have micro channel. Yeah, and then a Lennox Elite right here. So.
A piece of junk.
And, yeah, pretty much. It most likely replaced another Coleman, which that's disappointing.
Yeah, it's true. I didn't think about that.
It's got a Coleman scroll. And it's a heat. Is it a heat pump? I can't see because the blades are spinning, but yeah, it is. There's the reversing valve right there. So it's a 4-ton from 2017. So, all right, let's go get the data on that Coleman now. Hold on a sec. 2-ton from 2007. So.
Yeah, that's real nice.
All right, so yeah, I guess that's it for this office complex. So,
yep.
I guess over and out.